Hello children, now first class mathematics, third chapter. What is our chapter? Third chapter. Say all of you spelling. Third chapter. Number. Number spelling say children. Number. 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 From. Number from. 1. Which number is this? 1. TO2. 5. 1 to 5. Number from 1 to 5. Number from 1 to 5. Page number 13. Take out children. Page number 13. In page number 13 to see children here. Count the pictures on the left. Are there same number of pictures? Are the same number of pictures? On the right side, count them by drawing lines as shown here. See here, count the pictures on the left. Are there same number of pictures? On the right side, count them by drawing lines as shown here. See here children. Here. See here. Here star. Yes. Here also left side star. So match it. This like. Here one star, one only. Here, how many frogs are there children in this box? One. One frog, two frogs. Same. Is the picture same number only? Yes. Ball, check it once. Ball. One ball. Two balls. 3 balls. Same number only? Same balls? Same number balls? Yes. How many? 1, 2, 3. 3 balls having. Next one. Here, what is this children? Kites. You are played with kites too? Yes? Yes or no? See here, how many having? 1. Same or not? Once you check it, okay? 2, 3, 4. Same. Same only? Right side and left side pictures are same number? Yes. How many kites are there here? Right side 1, 2, 3, 4. Left side also 1, 2, 3, 4. So each side equal only having children? Yes. Now see here. What is this? Chilli. See how many having here? So same number having or not? Once check it. 1. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. So completed. How many having here? Chilies. Right side how many? Left side how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This side 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. See children. In this boxes too. Right side and left side. In first only one star only having. In two sides, one star only having. Next, second one, second box too, 2 frogs. Right side having, 2 frogs, left side having. Then next, 3 balls. Right side having, 3 balls, left side having. Next, kites. 4 kites. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many kites? 4 kites. right side, and 1 2 3 4. 4 cats left side. Chilies, how many? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 chilies this side. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 chilies are there. Next one. Are you understand, children? Here 1 to 5 only given. 1 2 3 4 5. Say again. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Next one. Sing the following song with action. See, children, sing song with action. One, one, one. A man has one nose. How many nose? One nose. One, one, one. A man has one nose. Two, two, two. A man has how many eyes, children? 2 eyes. Three, three, three. A rickshaw has 3 wheels. 3 3 3. A rickshaw has 3 wheels. How many wheels? 3 wheels. 1 2. That side also 1 wheel is there. 3 wheels. 4 4 4. A chair has 4 legs. 4 4 4. A chair has 4 legs. 5 5 5. A hand has 5 fingers. How many fingers? 1 2 3 4 5. A hand has 5 fingers. Say again, children. Sing song, okay? 1 1 1. A man has 1 nose. 1 1 1. Oh, any one only? 1 1 1. A man has 1 nose. A man has 1 nose. 2 2 2. A man has 2 eyes. 2 2 2. A man has 2 eyes. 3 3 3. A rickshaw has 3 wheels. 3 3 3. A rickshaw has 3 wheels. A rickshaw has 3 wheels. 4 4 4. A chair has 4 legs. A chair has 4 legs. 4 4 4. 4 4 4. A chair has 4 legs. Again. 1 1 1. A man has 1 nose. 2 2 2. A man has 2 eyes. 3 3 3. A rickshaw has 3 wheels. 4 4 4. A chair has 4 legs. 5 5 5. A hand has 5 fingers. So observe, children. So see here. See how many nose having here? Only one. One nose. 1 1 1. A man has 1 nose. Here 2 2 2. A man has 2 eyes. Here how many eyes having? 1 2. 2 eyes. A man has 2 eyes. 1 2. 3 3 3. A rickshaw has 3 wheels. 3 3 3. A rickshaw has 3 wheels. See here 1 2 3. This side also 1 wheel is there. 3 wheels. 3 3 3. A rickshaw has 3 wheels. How many wheels? 3 wheels. 4 4 4. 4 4 4. A chair has 4 legs. 4 4 4. A chair has 4 legs. 5 5 5. A hand has 5 fingers. How many fingers having with hand? 1 2 3 4 5. Again you count, children. 1 2 3 4 5. Count with me. 1 2. 1 after number 2 3 4 5. Are you understand? Good. Next one, next page, page number 15. Observe the following picture. Name the things in it. Name the things in it. See here. Say, and how many are there in the above picture? You observe it and say. So, how many cows are there here? Only one cow. How many cows? One cow. Trees. Tortoise. One. Two. Two tortoise are there. Trees. 1, 2, 3. 3 trees are there. Here again, what having? Flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 flowers. 4 flowers are there. Here, birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 birds are there. See here, children. Say what and how many are there in the above picture? See, what is this, children? What is this? Cow. How many cows are there? Here, this picture too, check it. How many cows are there? 1. How many? 1. So, write here 1. Okay, how many? 1. 1 cow. Next, how many? What is this, children? Tortoise only? Yes. So, how many tortoise are there in this picture? In this big picture too? How many tortoise are there? 1, 2. How many tortoise are there here? 2. So, here write how many? Tortoise how many? 2. Next, what is this, children? Which picture is this? Tree only? Tree? Yes. So, in this picture two trees are there. Once check it. Trees having? Yes. Where having trees? Here, here. No, this is water only. Here, here. Where having trees? Here. 1, 2, 3. How many? 1, 2, 3. How many trees are there here? 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. How many trees are there here? 3 trees. Next, what is this, children? Flower. What is this? Flower. How many flowers are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 flowers. 4. Next, birds. How many birds are there here? Here not, in this big picture too. How many having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many birds having? 5. 5 birds having. So, see, children, in this picture too, I repeat again. Observe, children, observe the following picture. Name the things in it. Okay, name cow, tortoise, water, flowers, plants, trees, birds, hills, grass. Yes. So, how many cows are there in this picture? 1. How many? 1. Tortoise. Here tortoise are there. How many tortoise are there? 2. Then birds also there. How many birds having here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 birds. Trees. 1, 2, 3. 3 trees. Here flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 flowers. Are you understand, children? In before, what word saying I am? This one song. 1, 1, 1. A man has one nose. Say, children. Again, I repeat saying. 1, 1, 1. A man has one nose. 2, 2, 2. A man has two eyes. 2, 2, 2. A man has two eyes. 3, 3, 3. A rickshaw has three wheels. 3, 3, 3. 3, 3, 3. A rickshaw has three wheels. 3, 3, 3. A rickshaw has three wheels. 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, 4. A chair has four legs. A chair has four legs. 5, 5, 5. A hand has 5 fingers. Are you understand, children? Okay, this end match it only 1 to 5. So remaining next one in next class too I will explain, children. Okay, children.